So hello everyone. Today we will be solving a question of string, same characters in two strings. So here we will be given a string of both equal length. We have to find the number of characters in both the strings that are equal. So in example one we have given a string A which is choice and B chance. So you can see CC in the index 0 are equal, H are equal. Here C again in the fourth index are equal, and E, although uh, E in A is in lowercase while E B case is in uppercase, but we will consider them as equal. Same case for example 2 we are given a string geek and string B gang, where only the first letter at position 0 are equal. So now let's check the code. So before the code, let me explain you once again that we will be creating a variable counter which we will be returning, and the counter will be storing the count of the characters that are equal. So in for we will be taking the example 1. As you can see, C and C both are equal, so we will be increasing the count variable, and then we will move to the next. H and H both are equal, then we will be increasing the count and we will move to the next character. We can see here that O and A are not equal, so we will be ignoring, we will not do anything, we will just move one position ahead. Here you can see I and N, they are not equal, ignore them, move ahead. Which C here, C and C both are equal. We will be increasing the count and moving to the next. E and E, although they are in one is in lowercase and other is in uppercase, we will be treating them as equal. So in order to treat them as equal, we will be converting the E that is in uppercase in lowercase. To start with, we will be creating a count variable. We will create a count variable and initialize it to 0. After that, we will be starting a for loop which will check if the character at A and character at B both are equal or not. Right. Uh, so, as we have discussed, we have to treat both the uppercase and lowercase as equal. So, we'll be writing the condition. So, we will be writing the condition that lowercase both will be converted into lowercase characters. So, in order to convert it into lowercase, we will be using uh, character dot to lowercase. So here we will be adding equal to, we will be copying this one, pasting this, and the in the if condition, if both are equal, then we will increase the count by 1, and then we will return the count. We will check if it is correct or not. As you can see, it's showing the correct. We will be submitting now. So it's running perfectly fine. Thank you for watching.